What is blogging? Blogging is a type of online content creation and publication that involves regularly writing and posting articles or entries, known as blog posts, on a website or blog platform. These posts are typically displayed in reverse chronological order, with the most recent entries appearing at the top. Here, I'll provide a detailed description of blogging, its components, and an example to illustrate how it works. Key components of blogging. Blog platform. Bloggers typically use blogging platforms or content management systems, CMS, to create and manage their blogs. Popular platforms include WordPress, Blogger, Tumblr, and more. These platforms offer tools for writing, formatting, and publishing content. Blog posts. These are the individual entries or articles that make up a blog. They can vary in length and content, covering topics of interest to the blogger and their target audience. Posts often include text, images, videos, and links. Content. The heart of a blog is its content. High quality, relevant, and engaging content is crucial to attract and retain readers. Content can be in the form of articles, essays, reviews, tutorials, stories, opinion pieces, and more. Audience. Bloggers often have a specific target audience in mind. This audience could be interested in a particular niche or subject, such as cooking, travel, technology, fashion, finance, or any other topic. Engagement. Blogs encourage interaction with readers. This interaction can take the form of comments, social media shares, likes, and email subscriptions. Engaging with the audience is an essential part of building a loyal readership. Monetization. Some bloggers monetize their blogs through various methods, such as display advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or selling their products or services. Example of blogging. Suppose someone is passionate about travel and wants to start a travel blog. Here's a step-by-step example of how they might get started. Choose a niche. The blogger decides to focus on adventure travel, aiming to share their experiences, tips, and stories related to activities like hiking, camping, and extreme sports. Select a blog platform. They choose WordPress as their blogging platform because it offers a wide range of customization options. Create blog posts. They start writing and publishing articles about their recent adventure trips, travel gear reviews, and advice on planning adventurous vacations. Each post is engaging and includes high-quality images and personal anecdotes. Build an audience. Blogger shares their content on social media, participates in travel-related forums, and connects with other travel enthusiasts. They encourage comments and discussions on their blog to foster engagement. Monetize the blog. As their blog gains popularity, they monetize it through various methods. They join affiliate programs to earn commissions from travel gear sales, and they also partner with adventure travel companies for sponsored content. Consistency. To maintain and grow their readership, the blogger publishes new content on a regular schedule, perhaps posting a new article every week. Over time, the blogger's travel blog becomes a valuable resource for adventure enthusiasts, and they may even turn it into a full-time career. Blogging is not only a means of sharing one's passions and expertise but can also be a way to connect with like-minded individuals, educate, and even generate income.